We were so excited when it came into our ears that there is a movie which is going to be made on the 83 World Cup champs. So on those basis, we were excited as to who's going to. In fact, I offered myself to Kabir Khan.
This is very interesting. He said, "अरे माइच करता ना मेरा रोल."
अरे माइच करूँगा काय को ABCD काय को तो well there were some intricacies into that which he explained, right? So on those basis we were wondering. I was wondering कि भाई मेरे जैसा हेयर स्टाइल वाला कहाँ से मिलेगा? And there is with lot of similarities between both of us. And I was very excited when I met him for the first time. Oh wow, hey Kiri, hi, how are you? बोल के मैं उसको बोला, sir क्या बात है बोल के. That's how we all met, and it was very exciting. He's an all-rounder with multi-facets on him. He is to so many fields. Yeah. And he has excelled into all those fields. According to the director, producer of 83 film, he has been outstanding into that film. Though he was behind the stumps, he was outstanding, not outside the field. Yeah. He was right behind the stumps.
That was beautiful. So now you know the rapport that me and sir share. बहुत सारी similarities हैं. आधा तो सर ने आपको बता ही दिया. The biggest thing is कि काफी लोगों को यही लगता है कि ट्विन्स हैं, हमें रोडीज होस्ट करना चाहिए. या दिस इज द कंफ्यूजन बिटवीन पुदीना धनिया. दिस इज द कंफ्यूजन बिटवीन व्हेन यू ऑर्डर पनीर बटर मसाला एंड पनीर लबाबदार. तो वो जब इतना सिमिलैरिटी नॉट जस्ट ऑन द फेस वैल्यू या लुक वाइज है, ऑल्सो इन टर्म्स ऑफ एथलेटिसिज्म. मैं इंडिया खेला हुआ हूँ इन अ स्पोर्ट कॉल्ड रोलर हॉकी. सर अपने टाइम पर 100 मीटर्स दौड़ते थे, एथलेटिक्स में इतने शार्प थे.
हॉकी, फुटबॉल ये सब खेला हूँ मैंने एट द स्कूल स्टेट लेवल.
प्लस ही इज सो ह्यूमरस. आई ट्राई. सी ऑल्सो आई एम नाखून ऑफ हिम व्हेन इट कम्स टू गुड लुक्स. बट द फैक्ट
ये थोड़ा मेरे सिर के ऊपर से निकल गई बात.
नहीं सर, स्लाइड कर गई.
नॉर्मली नॉट मेनी थिंग्स स्टिक इनटू दिस स्लिपरी एंड shining hair.
Do you see the similarities? We don't have to like write it or say it. It is just so natural for us to get along. The funniness, the quirkiness, the athleticism, the pride that we have for our country. मैं तो पहले सिर्फ रोलर हॉकी में खेला था इंडिया, अब मैंने क्रिकेट में भी खेल लिया. इससे बड़ी बात क्या हो सकती है? And the fact that he allowed me to be the face of that character who will be etched into Indian cinema's history as Mr. Syed Kirmani, the legendary wicketkeeper, the best wicketkeeper of his all time. I think I can only say thank you so much.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.